Hello everyone, this is Mahesh and you are watching a short demo on face recognition software that I have developed, and you can find the source code for this software in this repository. It's github.com Mahesh M. Hegde face. So you can find this link in the below description. First you need to download this software from this repository. Either you can clone this source code or you may choose to download a zip file. So once you download this file, you will find it in your download directory. It's a face master.zip. So just extract this file. Okay, here you can see face master. Now open your terminal and just navigate to the directory where you have extracted the software. So in my case this is download and face master directory. So let me check whether it contains all the contents or not. It contains all the files necessary to install this software. Other than this software, you may need a Qt Creator and a CMake and OpenCV, and also a SQLite database. So you may find the relevant information in the readme file here. I will just create a new directory to build and just check the software functionality. So I will create a build directory and go to build directory now to keep the things clean. So I will just compile this software. I will just CMake and make. Okay, now its CMake files make file is generated, and now we can compile this software. So it will take a while. You may resolve the dependencies if you find any errors in the compilation, like OpenCV or SQLite or Qt. Okay, now it has generated executable file in the build directory itself. Here you can see face. It's a executable file, so you can just test it just by executing this file. Currently the installation candidate is not available and it works in the KDE desktop environment. So let me just execute this file. So here you can see a window UI. Here if you select detect face push button, it will start capturing a live scene from your webcam, and it will detect the faces, and you can just give the name and save. So like this, there is no really limit for storing how many faces you want. So let me just show you. Okay, here you can see it has detected my face. So I will just give a name and say save. So now actually my face data is stored in database, and if I say show live, it will just recognize me. Not only me, if I store anybody else face in the database in the same way, it will just automatically detect and recognize the face in front of the camera. So this is where it's really a recognition not only a detection. So let me show live. So here you can see that it's just displaying my name and also a bounding box in front of my face. So if anybody else come in front of this camera, it will detect their face also. You can quit this software by just pressing the key Q, or you can just Control C here. So this is how this software recognizes the faces. If you are interested, you can send a patch to me or fork me on GitHub. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video.